Hey everybody, welcome back to Carla Chat. So today it's my birthday, honey, okay? I wanted to do a really different video than I've done so far. It's a super quick, sped up makeup video. All the details are gonna be down below. So I did my brows off camera. And now, as you can see, I'm getting ready to use my Coty Airspun translucent powder. And I love to do this to just kind of prepare my face. You can use a translucent powder to help keep your oils at bay. So it helps you to not be super oily throughout the day. So now I'm adding two different colors together to kind of help get a better match for me. So it's the Revlon Color Stay in Cappuccino and Caramel in the oily to combination skin. Like that. I am definitely not a makeup guru or makeup artist, anything like that. I just really love simple, basic, natural looking makeup. And I noticed as I was looking in the camera that the foundation color looked so different than it did looking in the mirror as I was doing my makeup. And so I don't know, that might be like a light issue or something like that. I don't know, but if it looks like it is kind of not really matching that much, in person it matches way more. And so you'll see me trying to fix that. I'm trying to fix the color match a little bit here and there. So I contour just a little bit. I actually stopped contouring my nose years ago and started doing it again over the past few weeks whenever I do wear makeup. I have a super round nose, a very round face. None of my features are like chiseled or anything. I don't know what that face was about, but none of my features are chiseled or very like defined. And so I have, again, a very round nose. It's one-dimensional. I don't really have much of a bridge, and so contouring kind of helps to give me that. Okay, it just kind of helps to separate the features, if that makes any sense. So yes, I use highlight and contouring to do that, and that's what you guys see here. Again, everything that I use will be down below. I'll do an actual like makeup video where I show you what I use, but this was just my first one, and so I wanted it to be super quick and chill and just me kind of, you know, just feeling what it even feels like to record a makeup video. So here I'm adding some concealer to my eyelids. I didn't have a primer for my eyelids, so I'll just use that. And now I'm using a bronzer. I love to use this bronzer on my cheeks, so I go a little bit more heavy with it on my cheeks, and then the rest of the, you know, my face, I just bronze it up, try to warm up my face a little bit, also trying to get that match to look a little bit better. I'm adding some eyeliner. Again, I love simple makeup, okay? I do not do that glam stuff. And to be honest, I have a little bit of an understanding of makeup, so I probably could do it, but I just haven't played with it, I guess. And I don't really feel like I'm that great. So I don't know. We'll see what happens the more I play in makeup with you guys and kind of expand. So like, I don't even wear lashes. Oh my gosh, I think I've worn lashes twice in my entire life. But I love the length of my lashes, and so I usually just pop some mascara on and call it a day. When it comes to eyeshadows, which I did really backwards here, I was supposed to do that before my mascara, but we're not gonna worry about it. I'm super one-dimensional, okay? One color, that's it. And so I'm adding some lip products now. I'm adding a matte lipstick from NYX and a little bit of a lip liner just to kind of warm it up and give it some dimension. That's about it. Yeah, I noticed I had something in my eye, y'all. Look at that, a mess. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do for today. Well, here I'm just cleaning off my nose ring. I don't know if people take their nose rings out, but I just don't have time for that. I can't. But that's pretty much the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this really super short video. And if you want to see more, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell notification button as well. See you guys next time. Bye.